shit. Lagay mo charge. Mawawala.
I know. Ay, inano ko na muna. Okay. Hey, where's the mic?
Relax. Andun ka lang, Mike. Relax. Turn it on. Relax.
Testing.
Go. Do it again.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Wala.
Turn on. Turn off. On. Go.
Test. Wala.
What is it? Mic test. Mic test.
Inalesa?
Mic test. Good. Just wait.
Table, you ready?
Play. I'll fix it.
All right, let's go.
Green, white, going up.
Mic test.
All right, here we go. Playoff. Game 1.
2.
2 points by Ray.
Mic test.
Seized by Lando.
Mic test.
All right, guys, welcome to City Hoops.
Ay. Rebound. Colin.
Rebound, Colin.
Get down on D. Get ball.
Steal by Ray.
By yourself. Oh, good apple.
Colin again. Rebound.
Get ball.
Go. Sabi mo, mic test.
Green 3-0.
Wala. Matay.
As first on Lando. Alright guys, welcome to City Hoops Season 9. Hoop Class League Playoff. Our first game of the night between number 4 seed Team Beijing and number 5 seed Mexico City.
2 for 2.
2 for 2 for Allen. Joe, no good. Rebound by Don Basco.
Take the shooter.
Allen commits Allen for 3. Booyah! Sino masisi? One for 3. No goal. Rebound by White ball. Score 5-2 in favor of White. Here comes Kumis Allen.
Shooter.
4-3 again. No goal. Rebound by Senior 1. To Victor. 4-3. Yeah. Ta-da-da. Victor. Oh, 3 points.
More of that tonight. Shooter.
5-0. Oh, rebound by Joel.
Numbers. Nice.
2 points by Ray.
Batman and Robin's back.
Assist by Lando.
Watch the shooter. Behind you, one is the shooter. There you go.
John for 2. No good. Rebound by Lando.
Numbers. 3 on 2. There you go. Vic.
2 points by Victor.
Good run.
Assist by Ray. Holland, back to Holland. To Dom. Bounce pass to John. Back to Dom. 3 seconds violation by the white team.
Give ball, Red. Give ball.
Coach Noel likes it.
One, give it to Ray. There you go.
Point charge, point guard.
Nice pass. And one.
Yes, sir. First on Allen.
Hey, Colin. Your shoes touching the floor. Your shoes touching the floor.
Rebound by
it's touching the
John.
floor. It's touching the floor. Your shoes.
I didn't get it, dude. Hindi get it. Ako gagawin yung mga joke ng Pinoy. Rebound by John.
Numbers, 3 on 2. Nice. All right.
13-5.
13-5. Assist by Ray.
All right, watch the shooter.
Second game kayo.
Last.
Nice.
3 points by Don Vasquez.
Assist by Kumish.
Open shots. No.
Assist by Kumis Allen.
Pops.
Pops. Jesse's in the half. Rebound by Wood.
Wala sa league leader.
Yes,
Disappointed.
sir. That's
Very disappointed.
first on Don. Don.
2 shots.
Zero. Senior 1. Ano ba namin? Ha? Oh yeah, ready to go. 2 for 2 for Senior 1.
They need you to cheer.
Relax, relax. I got it. Chinecheck ko lang kay Dennis. Yes, sir. Rebound by Joel.
Oh, what a pass! What a pass! Assist. Fast break. Yes.
Ano game who?
That's Eric. Eric.
Kumezan. Rebound by Victor. 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 Victor, pass it to Lando. Lando, back, pass it to Joel for 2. Oh my God! He missed it. Oh, still by Lando.
On the ground, foul.
31, yes sir. That's Don Vasco. Second on Don.
There you go. Take it, Ray.
17-8 in favor of Green. Lando, miss. Airball, rebound by.
There you go. Get it. There.
Oh.
Nice D. Shooter. Shooter.
Yo,
On
Mikey.
for 3. No good. Rebound by Colin. Put back by Colin.
Hello? Okay, go. Oh, wait. Okay.
17-10 in favor of Green. Up by 7 points. Ray, foul. Yep, traveling violation. Yes, sir.
He's on his side.
Hey, delay of game for both teams. Next one, penalty, all right? That's 2 shots.
Put it there. Both teams?
Yeah, that's what they said.
Both teams, right?
Delay of game?
Yeah, both teams. Yeah.
Rebound.
Rebound, Joel.
Rebound, Joe.
Pass break.
Numbers. Nice.
No, right
No
here.
6.
Time out.
All right, score 19-10.
I gave both teams warning.
warnings. So the next one is a real delayed game, and then if they do it again, it's a technical.
Okay, it's
All right.
warning. Just put
warning. Warning. Yep. Yep. Both teams. Warning.
Pwede na bang mag-sub?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Until 10?
Not yet. 98 seconds more.
Okay.
Here we go. Welcome back, guys.
I know, excited masyado.
Sino?
Dadaktak yan si Con eh. Oo.
2-4 by Don Vasco. Ano ba tong pen mo?
Dalawa ito.
Sis ba? Paano?
Hindi, nagsusulat lang yan.
Wow! Oh, rebound by Allen. Allen Carpio. $19-12. Pass it to Joe.
Nice.
1-2.
Assist.
Nice assist by Senior Allen Carpio. $19-14. Oh, you missed that. White ball. Nope. 30 seconds. Relax, coach. Relax. Calling for three. Nope. No good. Rebound by Senior One.
Nice!
Rebound by Victor! Football by Victor! Ta-da-da! Woo!
You gotta put a guy,
Wow.
Guy on
You
that
gotta
man,
put,
right?
You gotta put a body on that guy.
eh si ano, Joe. Ayaw mo yan, Joe.
1-1-14 in favor of Groot. Let's go! Rebound.
There you go.
Right, sub.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Once you come out, there's two of you. Ito muna.
Tayo na masarap na team ah. Ayaw mo.
Ano naman pa?
Sila na.
Lahat
sila
lumabas
gusto
eh.
lumabas, ah.
Manood ka ng Friday. Here we go, guys. Welcome back. Hindi mo yan. Ngayon mo lang yata na delay ha?
Delay.
Delay reaction ha?
Delay reaction.
Siya naman. Dan, what's up? Oh my goodness.
Fatty finger.
Ball first. That's what they say on baseball. Ball first. Get the ball before you react. What a pass by Joe up for two to Lando. Second assist by Joe. 23-14. Rebound by one. Oh!
Ah, basa ba yun?
Basa yun. Rebound by Joe.
Fast break yun ah.
Rebound by one. Rebound by one. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da. Woo! Senior one.
Anong si score? 25. Ano mas mga
25. Ano yun? Rebound steal.
Rebound. Tinira niya. Steal by Romeo.
Steve Joe. Green ball. Score 25-14 in favor of Green. Rebound by Joe.
Mic test. Yung mic test.
Coast to coast! And one! Ta-da-da! Ta-da-da! Woo!
There you go.
Son. You want this? No. Who's top? 99, yes sir.
Now I'm on mine.
Yes.
Disappointed.
Rebound by Joe.
Third
Coach to the wall. Coach to the wall. Coach to coach. Pass it to Lando. Lando, fake it. Oh, wow. That's an extra step. Oh, rebound by one. Rebound by Ray. Another rebound by Ray. To Lando. Yes, sir. Traveling by number 30. 25-16, calling for three, she can make a shot. Joe, rebound by Ray and Joe. Ray. Found Joe, Joe for two. No, go, rebound by Lando. Throw, rebound by Colin.
Ooh.
2 points by Allen.
Ano hilo dun ah.
25-18. Ang babait naman ng mga green team. Nagpapalabas. Woo! 2 points by Orlando.
5 minutes on the clock.
27-18 in favor of Green. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Here comes Coach Romeo. Coach Romeo to Joe. Joe passes for two. Rebound by one. Come on, Green. Yes, sir. That's the first.
One, easy. Get the ball right away.
Take your time.
Tingnan natin muna si Tek. Ano? Tanong mo.
Hindi, ganun ginawa niya. Yung isa, ganun, dapat ganun din ito.
Para siyang ask him to second.
All right. Welcome back. Nope. Hello. Here we go. Welcome back, guys. Let's go. This is our game 1 of playoff season 9. Still with 50+ lead. Ray split the deal for 2.
Nice.
2 points to John. Assist
Romeo.
by Coach Romeo. Galing mag-assist si Coach. True point guard. Here we go. The wall. Fake. Oh, rebound by. Rebound by. Oh my goodness. 30, that's second on Lando.
Stop.
Yes, sir. Sobra sa balot, ah.
Naka-steroid yata yan.
Woo! Joe, got the ball. Here we go. To Romeo. Rimbo. Very fast, he goes one. Pass it to Ray up by 11 points. 31-21. He lost it. Oh, right ball. Yes, sir. This is number 4 seed versus number 5 seed. Make adjustment. Never pass like that. Pinapagalitan ko yung players ko sa CYO eh. Pag ganun.
Hindi, I'll try, pero...
Wow, good back! Good back by Allen Garfield. A better move by Allen. Here comes Don Bastos. Pass it to Romeo. Romeo. Oh, foul! Still no one. Here comes Ray. Going first post. One open. Oh my goodness. He missed. Rebound by Joe. And rebound by Joe. 98. That's first on senior one. Score still 31-20. April Green.
Stop. Time out.
That's the second time out.
Tama who? What? That's our first.
Friday, man. Ha?
Second na yun? Sa what?
Yeah, second na. That's your second.
Right. So it's only a minute, 37 seconds remaining. Here we go. Let's go, guys. Welcome back. Hoops. 50 plus leads. Season 9.
Murphy.
Murphy is in the house. Happy birthday, Mike. Woohoo! Happy birthday to you. John missed the first shot. One for two for John. How you doing, bud? Good to see you. Good to see you. One, 14! Rebound by Ray. Oh, what a pass to Joe. Wow. That's Ray for the assist of the night.
You ready to come back?
Joe, for me. Booyah! Ta-da-da. Wow. That's his first three of the season. Colin, assist, career high. Come on, give me 3 more of that. Here we go. Woo! Split the D. Rebound by Colin. Pass it, right there. Oh my God, oh!
32 seconds.
Victor. seconds violation. Oh my goodness! Wide open! 2-0 for 2! Wow, assist by Colin again! Out the back!
13 seconds.
Career high! Woohoo! 7 seconds. Rebound by Victor! Woo! Almost got that by Victor. Victor rebound score 33-26. Green team up by 7 points. One minute.
Yeah,
Here we go. "35 seconds, guys."
Switch mo na. Let's go, let's go.
Dati na nga sa kanya. Sige, palaki ko yung
Ha? Kasi ganun tayo, di ba?
Alright, guys, good luck. Good luck, guys. Hey.
White, green, straight up.
Colin. 2 points. Another assist. Woo! By Colin. Wow, that's his third assist of the night. Career high. Wow. 1, 2 points. Assist by Ray. Colin. Running shot, baby. Rebound by Colin. Rebound by Ray.
Oh my God.
Ano yun? 2 points sila doon?
Points lang doon.
2 points with dunk.
Dalayan kay what?
Delegate green? Penalty.
No. That's
Daya?
no, it's delayed.
Oh, delegate.
Earlier it's just warning.
Oh.
No, that was just a warning.
Warning.
Warning for both teams.
Assist ba yun? Kanina?
No, it's not.
No? Rebound by Ray. Two points by Lando. Assist by Noel. Rebound by Ray. Rebound by one. Rebound by Bon Vasquez. Oh, still blocked by Victor. And still. Two points by Ray. 41-28.
Kaya ng game, hindi lang ako.
Ball for three. Rebound by one. Here comes the wall. Rebound by Lando. Rebound by Don. 3-0 wide. Third on Don. First team foul. First shot is good. One to two for Orlando, and the rebound put back. Rebound by Chris Warren.
Oh!
44-28 again in favor of Green. Steal by Ray. 2 points by Ray. Timeout White. First timeout by the white team.
Shoulder still.
Din, let's go.
Hindi pa. 52 seconds.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. 23. That's Ray. Let's stop now. Let's go. Second unit, guys. Second unit. Come on, second unit. Rebound by Ray. Rebound by Lando. 2 points by Lando. Victor for three, no good. Rebound by, nope. White team, yep. Steal by Joel. Wow, too many cherry picking. Season na ba yung cherry picking ngayon?
Every week.
Rebound by Joel. 3 seconds.
White, 3, hold.
1-3 hold, that's Allen. Second on Allen. Yeah. Welcome to
50 and over.
Rebound by John. That's his second rebound of the night. Here comes Kumiz Allen. Pass it to Joe. Nope. 7 Green, yes sir. First on the wall. Second team fouls. Allen. To Allen. Kumiz Allen for 3. No good. Rebound by Joe. 50-29 for Green. Not bad. 21 points. Rebound by Lando. Traveling violation by the PG. Here we go.
Nasira na. Yung sound.
Nasira sa bibig
Yung
mo.
sound, nasira. Nasira yung speaker.
Nasira sa bibig mo. Sobrang lakas daw.
Kaya nga eh.
Two points. Wow. Sira natin.
Oh, kaya again?
No.
Static lang.
Three seconds violation in Tagalog. Nangingitlog. Here we go. Rebound by Ray. Rebound by Lando.
Uy, dumating.
Rebound by Allen. That's a fake pass. What? 11 what? Yes sir, thank you, Professor Romeo. Sino decision?
Lando. I did already. Tama ba? Para pa-check.
Yeah. Opens up, guys. Opens up. This Bora is in the house. Here we go, Mr. Ray Anchela. Pass it to Lando. Lando for 3. No good. That's not his shot. Victor for 2. Wow. Victor, 2 points. Assist by Noel. 8 Green, yes sir. Set first on Victor. 13 fouls. Aris Apigana. Woohoo! Opens up, guys. Opens up. Rebound by Joe. 2-point by Ray. Yep. White ball. Colin. 4-3. Nope. Joe for 2. Basket's good. Last touch, Sigong. Delay game, right? Alright. Nope. Delay game.
No, the second one? Both of them now, right?
No, warning now, warning. Yep. No, that's a warning, the real one. Nice pass.
Wow. Oh, nice pass.
Woo! Steve Barrett. Rebound by 2
On
points.
that ball, on that ball. Romeo! Sub!
Call it for 3. Rebound by Victor, put down by Victor. Wow.
So, ano to? Dong!
White ball.
Makabalito yung player.
Papatirin mo eh. Jong, sino nag-assist?
I didn't get it.
Na-inbound. Are you watching the game?
Yeah, Allen.
Kamish?
No assist, you drop the ball. There you go.
Victor for 3! No go, rebound by Allen Garfield. Calling for 3. He can make that.
Playing like Cowboys, man.
That's fatigue. Hey.
Playing like Dallas.
Don't say that, Cowboy thing. 2 points by Victor.
Joe, Tom, he's playing like Dallas. Cowboys.
Assist by Noel. 2 points back by Joel. 2 points, Joe.
Yeah, too easy.
Sino, right? Too easy.
Coming in.
We're up, right?
21 points. Down by 21 points. Plenty of time.
There you go. 47, right?
Yep.
Oh, defense. Assist, winner.
No defense. Assist Rainer. Man, those are easy assists.
John, assist by
Sino?
Allen Pops. 68-49. Kaya pa yan.
Rebound by Ray. Ray for two. No good. Rebound by Colin. That's his 7th rebound of the night. Woo-hoo! Oh, rebound by 1. Yes, sir. Yep.
Two. Dito pa sorry.
Tino.
Si Rainer.
Colin for 3. Running shot, baby. Whoa! What a pass by Colin. I didn't know he can pass. Woohoo! That's his 4th assist of the night. Career high.
Yeah, 4 of the season, right?
Ray. No good. Rebound by Jong. Here we go. Jong going coast to coast. Pass it to Allen. Allen. Commits out for 3. No good. Rebound by Victor. Victor to 1.
Assist.
No, wala assist.
Sure? Sure about that?
Nagnin. That's it. Game.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Final score 72-51. KJ is moving on to the semifinal.
Remind the jersey.
Hey guys, jersey please.
Plastic is over there.